Hello guys, and welcome in this video where we're going to be breaking down the steps that we follow in order to install and connect your less annoying CRM action automation for work. This tool is going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow for your less annoying CRM platform. So let me show you how to set it up. Inside your sub account, come down here at the app marketplace. You search for the app, you go on install, allow and install. There's a information required here, which is the API key. Before we go any further, you have the smart queue here. It's going to show you, guide you how to get that API key. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our less annoying CRM platform. So we go at the setting wheel, we come down here at the programmer API, enable API, create a new API here. The nickname, you can say my app, create key, and we copy the API. We go on, I have copied the key. We switch to the sub account, we paste it, continue, and you choose the plan, you confirm, you go on complete installation, and you're ready to go. The tool is now installed inside your less annoying CRM platform. And you guys are now able to execute actions directly from your workflow for your less annoying CRM platform. So guys, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video, guys.